part of this flash storage replacement, again, Steve was very helpful in letting us know all the new features and all the new technologies that came as part of it. As a department and as a company, we're very reactive. We don't really have the time to come back and look at a lot of this stuff. And we're also quite a small team. So, you know, Covenco's support throughout it has been brilliant. None less than, obviously, I tasked the team with, here's the new storage, can you implement it? We basically, the team were able to just call on Steve, Chris at each point, asking for help and support whenever they needed it. And again, down to things like Safeguarded Copy. We knew it was a thing, hadn't really looked into it. But with Chris's guidance, you know, nice and easy, implemented. And, you know, I can then go back to the board and the stakeholders and say, look, we have this new element of our strategy that we can rely on. So yeah, something like that.